Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to play music via Bluetooth on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here all you need to do is use the apps icon. From the following view, let's tap Multimedia. And now let's go to Bluetooth Music and tap Go to Connect. As you can see, you have to enable the Bluetooth status, and now you can go to your smartphone. If you don't connect previously your device, I will do it right now. So all you need to do is tap Settings, tap Bluetooth on your iPhone or any smartphone, simply enable Bluetooth, scroll down, and here you should find other devices, and one of them should be your car. In my case is Dongfeng. Let's just tap it. Alright, let's tap here pair. And now you can allow contacts and favorite synchronization. So if you would like to have information about your contacts and favorite groups, etc., you can tap allow, or you can simply choose don't allow. You can use it just for the music, for example. So that's it. As you can see right now, your Dongfeng is connected. Here I have the information. And now you can go to your car. As you can see, this is my last song that was played on my smartphone, and basically I can use, for example, Spotify to use one of the songs, and now I can play it. I need to increase the volume. As you can see and hear, the music is playing. So this is really nice feature that you can play the music from your smartphone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.